Guys, I wasn't born rich. During the building the right mindset, I realized that should be the right habits of how you use your money that you earn too. So what I'm trying to say to you is spend your money wisely and work with your money. Build your own principles how you work with money. And right now I will share my own principles that I'm using. First principle. Always make your accounting. Make accounting for your expenses and income on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And try to understand how much you earn, how much you spend, and how much money you left to make your investments. And I have told about that in one of my previous videos when I share my own investment strategies. And second rule, pay yourself first. Think about your future and start building the foundation of your future right now. From the savings that you make each month, start investing small amounts, all savings, but distribute them really wisely. Because the really good foundation will help you to create the capital, and that capital will be necessary in the future to build the wealth. Number 3, always have reserve. Almost all the people telling that it should be in the cash. But in my own opinion, the reserve for the 3-6 month should be not just in the cash, but that reserve can be in a different type of the asset. And for the reserve assets, try to make just the liquid assets so you can sell them easily. But honestly, it's also a tricky question because sometimes assets can lose in the price. So you need to be careful about your choices and what kind of assets you choose. If you would like to choose that kind of liquid asset, for example, crypto, then invest just in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Or if you would like to choose that kind of asset as a stock, invest in the blue chips, in the companies that creating a lot of opportunities and almost like not losing in the price. Or you can invest in the gold. For the companies that are not losing in the price so much, I can recommend Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, or Coca-Cola actually. Some kind of the companies that can generate good income and be sustainable, that are on the market for a long time. Number 4, no consumable credits. I know that's really important for everyone to have new things and keep your psychological sustainability by buying the new things for yourself. But guys, honestly, you can live without those things and it's not necessary to buy them in the credit. Because if the something doesn't make money for you, it's not your assets, it's your liability. And those kind of liabilities is not bringing you the great value. Because always when you are taking the consumable credit and you don't make money on that, you lose in your future. That's how I am thinking about that kind of stuff. And I'm just trying to use the credits for my own business or for the things that make money for me. And one of the most favorite rules, try not to make impulsive purchases. For example, if you would like to have something so hard, that can be just emotions. Maybe you don't need that kind of stuff and it's not necessary to buy something right now. And just your emotions saying to you that you need it. How I am working with that? I give in to myself 72 hours, and just after the 72 hours, when my mind becomes more clear, I make a decision. Should I buy that stuff or I shouldn't? And that's how I do with impulse purchases. And the last one, and one of the simplest way how to make more money and how to save more money, it's using the DCA strategy. I already told you that you need to invest regularly, but how to do it in a proper way. Define couple type of the assets that you would like to buy and buy them regularly. I give you my own example. When I'm investing right now in crypto and real estate, what I'm doing? I just diversify my portfolio. 70% I'm investing in real estate and I'm doing it on a monthly basis through our platform. 30% I'm investing in crypto, but in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And what the DCA strategy means, The DCA strategy means that I'm not reflecting on the price on the market at that point. I'm just buying, no matter about price, no matter about anything. I just follow my strategy. And DCA strategy help to build for you and for your investment really proper approach when the investment have an average price. And of course, that average price, even if the asset is growing at the moment, will be lower than the highest maximum. And that give you the opportunity to have your margin on your investment and make money on that investment. Of course, if the asset right now going down sometimes, it's also give you benefits because you can get more profits after the asset will grow up back. But the really one important thing for that kind of strategy, you need to use that strategy only with the assets that can be scaled or the assets that are more sustainable. Don't try to use it with the meme coins or with the assets that don't have enough of capitalization. That was my favorite rules, how I manage my money and how I using my money. So guys, subscribe right now and stay updated for the new videos.